Welcome back, guys. This is Cosmo, the original lighter snake. Quick market update. Today is Monday. The markets are open, and as I spoke to in my last video, we talked about oil. So I'm going to give you two stocks that I'm looking at real closely with everything going on in the war, gas prices going up. I went ahead and put some money into USO, ticker symbol USO. I can show you here. Let me pull up my Robinhood. All right. Currently sitting at 531, up 1% for the day. I went ahead and put in, I bought one share and I dropped about $175 into the United States oil fund due with everything going on in the Middle East and oil prices. They are basically going to be saying that oil could go up to $150 a barrel, which is not good for us in the States. But if I can make money on it, I'm going to make money on it. Another stock that I'm looking into is gold, because if the markets continue their downward trend, a lot of people will be selling off stocks and crypto and moving their money into gold. So I'll be looking into gold possibly later on in the week, and I'll put a video up about that as well. So as this is a short-term play. As soon as gold, once they figure out what they're going to do with the oil situation, once gas prices start going down, this stock will continue to go down. So if gas prices go up, this stock is going to go up. So I'll continue to monitor this, and hopefully we end up making a little bit of money out of it. So make sure you follow, like, comment, subscribe, follow my channel, and I'll keep you posted. And let's see how much we can make by the end of the year. Thank you for watching.